Alright, so let these set overnight in the Vaporust, and they did a really good job of coming clean. But as you can see there, they are heavily pitted. They're super pitted. So I was hoping this was going to be a little bit easier of a process. I knew that I was going to file those casting marks down and try to smooth that out. There's a lot of casting marks that I was going to work on. But it could be that this entire piece is going to need sanded down smooth. So everything else came out really well. Looking good. But it looks like we got a lot of work ahead of us here. Alright, we are finally coming to an end on the sharpener restoration. I've done a couple of test fits, and I think everything is going to be fine. Got it all sharpened up. Went ahead and painted it. I don't know how long this paint's going to last, but it looks good for now. So these shears are actually grass trimmers. And I don't know that they really have much use anymore. I've actually found several people collect these. So I hope I didn't destroy the value of these. It looks like you can buy them for $20 or $25 in this condition. And this was another pair that came from the same lady who let me do the restoration on these. These are missing a spring, and they were in much rougher condition, so I didn't work on those. I'm just going to give them back like this, but this was the basically the before and the after. I think they came out great. I was able to file down all of the handles nice and smooth. I left the kind of pitting on the blades. These are riveted in, and the rivet is in the casting, and I felt like if I took that out and finished off the blades completely, that I would never get those to set right again. I don't know. I think that's probably the best idea. But the backs are nice and flat. I sharpened up the blades. This side is serrated, and this side is a flat grind like a pair of scissors. And they cut pretty nicely. I haven't really done anything like this before, so it was kind of fun. And they are nice and sharp. But again, I don't know that they'll be used for anything. These were made to trim grass, and we just don't really use this tool for that much anymore. I don't think that they're heavy duty enough to really trim any bushes. Maybe some, I don't know, maybe some ornamental grasses or things like that they would work for, but they're sharpened up and ready to work. I'm going to oil them here and send them back. They'll be all done. Let's make sure we get some back in there. They are really in good shape, and if you do have a use for them, they're ready to work. All right, that was a lot of fun. Eagle Run 2-3. Thanks for watching.